There's our stop bar, the first line. I used to teach in Toronto.
Oh, wow.
We didn't have this snow.
Yeah.
Not much, not this much snow, that's for sure. I love Sudbury though, it's great. A lot of interesting intersections, a lot of hills and curves and offset intersections, you know, and snow. A little less traffic. These larger intersections, you won't be going through any of these larger major intersections for your road test.
Okay.
They're nice though. They're well controlled. They have a nice pattern to them. So all left turning vehicles go. And it's kind of counterclockwise too. You'll see yellow, red, then we're gonna get the green.
Okay.
That guy's going through a red light.
Yeah.
The solid median here, that's just like a guideline for you, so then you end up in the proper lane. It's a good, comfortable, safe speed. It's 60 here.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is turn left at the lights, and I'll take you to a couple of busy intersections, minor intersections. There's a double left turning lane that we need to get into, but timing is everything in getting into those lanes. I'll just guide you through this here, just so you get the timing down. So right about here, signal left, check your mirror, and check over your left blind spot. Awesome. Yeah, you're cutting in at the right time. Right on, man. Solid green. You can take control of the intersection, but looks clear, so we can keep on rolling. We'll be doing traffic lights in detail on your 4th hour.
Okay.
So we got the posted speed here is 40.
Yeah.
Road signs are important and just vital information. I'm hoping these 2 intersections I'm taking you to are going to be busy with traffic to do the rights of ways and all that.